Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to play online in the Chess.com app. First, download the free Chess.com application from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. The registration process is quick and easy, taking only a minute or two. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard, where you can access all the app's features and begin your chess journey. To start a game, simply tap the play button on the main screen. You can then choose from various game types, like live chess or daily chess, and select your desired time control. Options range from 1-minute bullet games to 30-minute rapid games, or even daily games lasting several days. The app will then quickly match you with an opponent of a similar skill level, ensuring fair and engaging matches every time. During your game, you can use the chat feature to interact with your opponent if you wish. After the game concludes, whether you win or lose, Chess.com offers a powerful game review tool. This feature allows you to analyze every move, highlighting blunders, mistakes, and brilliant plays. It's an excellent way to understand where you went wrong and how to improve your strategy for future games, making you a stronger player. Beyond playing standard games, Chess.com offers a wealth of other features. You can join various clubs, participate in exciting online tournaments, and challenge friends. Sharpen your tactical skills by solving thousands of daily puzzles, ranging from easy to very difficult. Additionally, explore the extensive library of lessons and watch live streams from grandmasters, providing invaluable insights to elevate your chess understanding and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.